Let's explore another pair of sounds. This card has a digraph sound. That's when two letters spell one sound. The sound of the CH is ch, ch, as in ch, ch, choo-choo train, chipmunk, cherry, and cheese. It's also the sound in chop. Let's see how it looks when I make that sound. Ch, 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 ch. My lips are fat. They're pushing out the air. Ch. My tongue stops the air and then I push the air out. Ch, ch, ch. What is the motion for this sound? As in chop. Let me explore if it vibrates or if it's quiet. Ch, ch. I don't feel a vibration. Ch, ch. I don't hear a sound in my head, so it is a quiet sound with no vibrations. The letter